Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm here with the part 2 of making the cover from Amazon packaging. And so yesterday, I showed you how I prepared the packaging for the cover, and we put a layer of felt and then a layer of vintage cross-stitch embroidered. It also looks like it's crocheted tablecloth that we cut up, and we put it on the outside, and then in the inside, off camera, I printed one of the pages from the kit, and then I glued it into the inside, and then I sewed all around. I did a zigzag all around, a very short, small zigzag, and then and I did it from this side. And then when I turned it over, I noticed that there were some places that didn't catch the paper. So I went ahead and I did a straight stitch on this side all the way around. And then I did a straight stitch on either side of where the bends were. It just holds the fabric down nicely if you do that. So there's less of a chance of it buckling and stuff. So I prepared the pages that I'm going to use from the kit, and I've put them in the order that I want them to be. I think actually I'm going to switch this one out for this one. Like that. And I'm going to put this as the middle. And the plan is to sew it in here. And then I'm going to do some kind of a pocket here. I'll probably do a pocket in here. Maybe a double pocket, or a double pocket. And maybe I'll put the library card here. And then we're going to do probably a eyelet with sari silk closure that'll wrap around and tie. So before I sew this in, since this is the part 2 of the cover, I thought I would do a little bit more embellishing of the cover. And I thought maybe I would add some of this vintage lace. Maybe just to this end. Maybe I'll do it to this end and this end. Yeah, I like that. So let's go ahead and do that. So I hope everyone's having a good day today. And we're closer to the weekend. Just going to use some, oops, pulled the pin out. Just going to use some of the glue to glue it on. I could sew it on, but I think I'll just glue it on. Just going to put a thin strip of glue. which way is the front. I think it's this way. Okay, that looks perfect. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. And I used green thread. I thought that would complement the kit real nice. Let it grab there. So again, I'm going to place a link to my Etsy shop in the description box in case you want to check out this Dorothy Rose kit. Follow along with me. Perfect. It's going to look nice. So I just need to let that really grab. And in the meantime, I think I will go ahead. I'm just going to neaten this up a little bit. So I used the backing pages from Dorothy Rose kit. And then I also used some of the backing pages from Vintage Violets. So I will also place a link in the description box for that kit as well. It has some nice backing papers in there. So now we can I think instead of putting the pages in now, I think I'll go ahead and do the pockets for these two. And I know that this is a short video and it's only about 10 minutes long, but I wanted to come on and show you what I had done with the cover and adding a little embellishment. I will probably do a little bit more embellishing, but we'll do that later. And then my next video will be making the pockets for the inside, so that'll be a separate video. So thank you again for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, and until the next video, bye-bye, friends.